Tired of your food looking bland? Learn how to elevate your dishes with the art of plating. This video will show you that presentation isn't just about aesthetics, it's a reflection of culinary discipline. Want to impress your dinner guests? Master the art of plating and turn your everyday meals into culinary masterpieces. This video will give you practical tips and inspiration to take your plating skills to the next level. From Michelin star chefs to home cooks, everyone knows that presentation matters. This video explores the artistry of plating, revealing the secrets behind a chef's disciplined approach to transforming ordinary dishes into works of art. Color harmony. Color plays a crucial role in the visual appeal of any plated dish. Create a sense of harmony by using plates, bowls, and spoons that complement the colors of the food. For example, a vibrant green salad can be made to pop even more on a white plate, while a rich red sauce looks stunning on a contrasting black plate. Texture and height. Add visual interest to your plates by incorporating different textures and heights. Use tools like spoons and spatulas to create mounds, ripples, and other textures. Garnishes like microgreens or edible flowers add height and visual appeal. Negative space. Don't be afraid to leave some empty space or negative space on the plate. This allows the eye to rest and can make the dish look more inviting. Essential plate presentation equipment. Get to know your tools. An offset spatula is essential for spreading and creating smooth surfaces. A spoon for garnishes helps create mounds and swirls. Various knives are useful for precise cuts and plating, such as a chef's knife, paring knife, and serrated knife. Piping bags and tips. Piping bags and tips allow you to create decorative swirls, lines, and shapes with sauces or garnishes. Different tips create different effects. For example, a star tip creates a classic star shape, while a leaf tip creates a natural leaf shape. Molds and cutters. Use molds to shape ingredients like rice or mashed potatoes. Round cutters can be used to create uniformly sized and shaped vegetables or fruits. Decorative cookie cutters can add a fun and festive touch to your plating. Garnishing with edible flowers. Edible flowers add a touch of elegance and color to any dish. Popular choices include pansies, violas, nasturtiums, and roses. Micro-garnishes and sauces. Microgreens. Edible flowers and other delicate garnishes can be added for a finishing touch. Learn how to create beautiful sauces with swirls and lines using a spoon or piping bag. Plate shapes and sizes. The shape and size of the plate can affect the overall presentation. A larger plate provides more space for the dish, while a smaller plate can make the food look more abundant. From the kitchen to the table, plating is an essential part of the culinary experience. By understanding the basic principles and practicing different techniques, you can create visually appealing and delicious dishes that will impress your guests. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Plating should be an enjoyable and creative process. So put on an apron, grab your tools, and let your culinary creativity shine.